Hello guys, in this milestone we are going to learn how to procure component. It's very important to buy tools or electronics components from a better location at a better deal or economic price, because if you are a technical person, you know how to program the hardware, you know how to make the hardware, you know how to make the final product, but you are lacking this skill of procuring component at a better deal, then it's going to create a lot of problem for you. So you must have this skill, and this skill will be developed over a period of time. You need to be careful of some points which I'm going to tell you. So if I talk about the places, there are two places. One is online, another is offline, from where you can procure your component, buy your component, and each have their own advantage and disadvantage. You will be clearly able to recognize which suits better for you over a period of time, after like let's say 1 year or 1.5 years. If I talk about myself, I consider both, because both have their own advantage. If I talk about offline, earlier I used to buy the offline components, and the type of deal I was getting, great, that was not possible online, right? And after some time, after buying components from offline locations, you will be familiar with the market. You will have a lot of practical options. After some time, they will also trust you. You just need to deposit amount in their account, and the components will come to you. And also, if you are buying from them, let's say from 1 year and 1.5 year, you don't need to make the payment to them, because they trust you. You are buying regularly from them. You are getting better deal from them, and after receiving the component, you can just make the payment. They trust. If I talk about our factory or R&D setup, over there we never make advance payment. We just buy the components, and then we with a period of like 15 days, 1 month, they supply the payments, because they know that we are regular buyers, right? So this is possible in offline. And also the deals you are getting offline, great, right? Let me give you one example. The LCD 16 crores 2 LCD, which you are also going to use in Arduino Uno, that is going to cost you online approximately 71 rupees, minimum possible price I am telling you. And that is also from robocraze.in and robo.in. so they are providing the LCD at a very economic rate. But if you will buy offline, right, I am getting this only just 57 rupees from offline market in New Delhi, in Bhagirath Palace market, right? But if I go online, then I am not getting this type of deal. And again, online have their own benefit. There are new components. Every new component, you don't need to go to the offline market, just go online and buy it. After the things become successful, you can buy better deal from offline market as well as online as well, because there are some big supplier online available like robo.in, robocross.in. If you are buying component in bulk quantity, they are also giving you better deal. But initially, if you are starting out, always prefer offline market, because it will provide you better exposure of the field. You will get lots of varieties of thing over there. And otherwise, like if you have less quantity, you can online as well, because over a period of time, like if I talk about 4 years back, the online market was very, very weak. You cannot trust, because better player was not there online. But now if I talk about, there are like amazing players right now who are supplying very, very like good quality component and modules and sensors. And if you are facing any problem, then you can return the components or module sensor as well to them. They will just replace them. Now first let me talk about online. So this is robo.in website. It's very economic. You can buy even a single component. For example, if I talk about Arduino Uno, they were supplying in just 199 rupees, but nowadays I think they have increased the price to 210 rupees, and that's including GST. So if you have GST, then again it's going to provide you the GST credit as well. So that is going to cost you lot less. Let me just give you the price reference. If you are going to buy the LCD, which is 16 crores 2 LCD, which you are also going to use in this course, or like you can say in this program, then that is going to cost you 71 rupees. But nowadays the price hike is there throughout all the platforms, whether it's robo.in or some other platform. So it might be coming to you, let's say in 76 or 78 rupees. But you can, I'm just giving the approximate idea. Arduino Uno you can buy in approximately 200 rupees or 210 rupees. Earlier it used to cost me only 190 rupees, but they increased the price. Might be it will be around 210 rupees now, but still it's manageable. You can just buy from them, and fast delivery is also available to them. If I talk about our experience, within they never extend the time 3-4 days, right? Within 3-4 days they just supply the component to us, and it's cash on delivery as well. You can just pay the option cash on delivery. Earlier it used to be free, then they increased increase the price to 50 rupees. So if you are buying components above 500 rupees, then you can just get the cash on delivery option available over there, and free shipping also. So Robo.in is a trusted player. Now next is kits and spares from Element 14. I usually don't prefer this because the components are like very costly over here. The number one reason is because they are providing original components. So if you are going to buy the components from here, like let's say 8051 microcontroller, usually you will get from the offline market just in 50 rupees, but from here that is going to cost you approximately 180 rupees. So approximately 4 times price you will get over here. But the main thing is the component is of very high quality, as well as the reliability you can just depend on, and if the component is facing problem, then the return option is also there. So Element 14 is great website, but people usually don't prefer because they don't need. What if I told you that 90% of engineering students graduate without knowing how to build real hardware? While others are struggling with outdated textbook and theory-based courses, smart students are mastering the exact skill that tech companies are desperately looking for. Arduino and embedded systems engineers are earning 400% more than the regular programmers. Hi, I am JS Rana. I have created the world's largest Arduino Mastery course. The same systems used by PhD students, professors, and working engineers to build breakthrough technologies. This isn't just another course, it's a complete innovation based Arduino ecosystem. Everything you need to go from complete beginner to innovation expert level. Here you will get complete Arduino mastery for all variants. 100 plus real world projects, source codes, circuit diagrams, designs, simulations, circuit schematics, libraries, live hardware projects, PhD level content that even professors uses, with lifetime course access and updates and much more. Plus exclusive bonuses worth 23,596 rupees, like how to start your own Arduino based business and make money, how to complete big companies R&D projects in a day, while others are taking months and months, and you will get industry grade certification and much more. Click the link below and start building your future today. If I talk about Arduino Uno, then originally if you will going to buy, then it's going to cost you 1400 rupees, but duplicate you can buy, like the clones you can buy in just 200 rupees, and that 200 rupee duplicate is also great. That's not going to create problem for you unless and until you are just building high-end industrial product. In that case you can go for original, but I don't prefer original, right? Because the clone is also giving same type of results. But at the same time, let me just tell you, when we design the final product for the industry, then we always buy from here, from Element 14, because we can rely on the quality of the component, and they are new, they are not second-hand components. Then the Amazon also is, you know that Amazon is a like evergreen platform. You can buy everything from here, but the main thing which we don't prefer to buy from here is you will get everything very costly here, because it's a type of platform where if seller is there, then they are also getting a lot of like commission from the seller, so ultimate amount is very high. So if you are going to buy Arduino, then it's not going to provide you less than 300 rupees, but on the other platforms like Robocrage.in and Robo.in, you will get in 200 rupees approximately. So I don't prefer, but it's still very reliable, and refunds are also here. Return policy is also very strong. If you are facing problem, then you can return the components within a specific time, whatever the given by the seller. Then there are other options as well, which usually I use, like robocrage.com or .in you can say. Then Visa World, it's also from Mumbai. They are also providing very good component. Then excluma.com. So these are some of the other platforms which I also prefer, but it's not like these are the only options. There are loads of other great options also there, but usually I prefer only like 5-6 which I trust the most, because there are some player in the market who is just type of fraud. They are just collecting the payment and not delivering the components. I'm going to provide you one of them in the same tutorial over here, so that you will be alerted, because that is also very famous but not delivering the components. Now before placing the order, what are the other things you should be careful of? Because before placing order, if you are considering some point, it's going to help you a lot. So think before placing an order. Why it's important to think before placing an order? So this is the website Electronics. Looks very premium, and it's just trending as well sometimes on number one. So like some of the students, lots of our students complain about this website to me, and my R&D department as well, because sometimes they order the component which like some new components they order from here, and after like making payment 10 to 15 times, not even a single time they deliver the component, and months they just keep the payment. We have to go for other options for the refund, but it's very like difficult to deal with them. we receive never ever. So never fall in the trap of these type of websites who are just collecting the payment and not delivering the components. So what you can look for? So first of all, if it is possible, just go for rating. If I talk about after like giving them multiple order after making payments, we found the rating is 1 and less than 1 is not possible. You can just go online and find their rating. Now next thing, you can look for return or replacement policy. Like Amazon, very strong. They have very good return policy or refund policy or a replacement policy. But some of the local players or the people, like 2-3 people running a website, is don't having proper return or replacement policy. So you should look for those policies as well. If their policies are clear, then just go, otherwise not, right? The third thing you can look for is technical details they are providing. One of the website I forgot to mention is sunroom.com. So they provide very good technical details, and whatever they are providing is the actual information. Okay, so if you found some component online available and the technical specifications are not there, so you can consider what type of component they are going to provide you, because they haven't mentioned the things with transparency over there, because they haven't mentioned the things with transparency over there, or might be they don't know about the technical specifications about their components or their product. So I think you should not go to buy those components which lacks the technical transparency. So these are the 3 things: customer reviews and ratings, return and replacement policy, and technical details. You should always go for them to have a better deal, otherwise it's going to create a problem for you. Now the offline is also great. Let me tell you just 3-4 more example about India. There are lots of good locations, but I am telling you the big locations available. This is Lamington Road, Mumbai. This is offline market. If you are around that area, like near Maharashtra, so you must visit this Lamington Road, Mumbai, because it's also known as electronics import hub. So because seaports are over there, so lots of like electronics components, sensor modules is coming over there from Taiwan and China. So that's why the availability of component and the economic price of component is available in this market, which is Lamington Road, Mumbai market. So you must visit if you are from that area. Then the second is Lajpat Rai market, and if I talk about me, I have been in this market at least 200 times, and like most of the big supplier know me, who I am, because we are buying from everywhere, because it's not about my company as well, because I am leading R&D department of some of the big companies. So like they ask me who is the best player and from whom we should go for buy, then I just refer these big shops. So they just gave my reference as well. So personally they know me, and it's also known as the biggest electronics market of India. It's very big, right? Lajpat Rai market or Bhagirath Palace market, you can say it's around Chandni Chowk, Lal Killa, right? Sisganj Gurdwara. So it's very famous market. If you are from North India, then you must visit this Lajpat Rai market, which is also known as India's biggest market. Okay. Then if you are from South India, then this SP Road market is also very good. It's very famous for electronics component. You will find lots of big player over here. The online player as well. They are supplying components to all over India. And let me also tell you one more thing. The biggest player like the Robo.in, Robocrage.in, and lots of like Visa World and all, Xkuluma, you will find all these big players in these big markets like Lajpat Rai market and this SP Road market, and then this Lamington Road. You will find lots of big player over here. So if you will be able to reach over there offline, then you are going to get great deals, right? And you just order them after 3-4 deals. You just order them. The components will come to you, and you just make the payments. That's all.